Hello students, now we'll see data analytics using Tableau. In previous lectures, previous video recordings, you have seen how to create dashboard, you have seen how to plot various graph, how to get the data from HTML page and load it into CSV file through Google Sheet and then analyze the data by plotting various graphs or by using dashboards. Now today we will see how Tableau uses its data analytics for finding the trend, finding the model, which model best fits for the data and clustering. So let us go to Tableau. Once we connect to Tableau, we are going to use the Superstore data, which is available in Tableau. So this sample data, we will select. Now this data, you have already worked on this data for creating a dashboard. This data talks about the product, various products, the order, the sale of those products, profit, and with respect to the dates. So since it has a very important feature, that is order date or ship date, we can see that this data falls under time series model. So whenever we want to forecast anything, we require a time series data which has some seasonal impact, and we can forecast what would be the future demand based on the sales data, based on the previous order date. We can forecast the demand, and we can also see the seasonal impact. Seasonal modeling is we can find out the trend, or we can find out the future forecast for particular month. So if it is a Diwali season, so what would be the sale in next Diwali season, or what would be the sale in particular date, let's say 25th December or 31st December. So time based or seasonal based forecasting we can do with this Tableau analytics. So we have here data tab and we have here analytics tab. In data tab, all the tables and its associated attributes along with the measures are already given. So let's talk about if the first attribute, that if we take, let's see, order. Now this is a, if you, when you just drag and drop here, you get all the attributes and their description in this sheet. Now this order date is of 4 years data of various products car order. We have right from 17, 2018, 2019 to 20. So you can take order here, and then we can take sales data in the rows. Now, if you see here, you can see some pattern you are going to get here. So this is for last 4 years. In 2017, the sale was up to 4,84,247. Then it has gone down in 2018. But afterwards, again, it has gone up. So 2019, it has gone up to 609,206. In 20, it has gone up to 733,215. So there is some trend, some pattern that you have, that sale is continuously growing after 2018. Now I want to forecast this, what would be my next 2 years sale based on this historical data. So forecasting is you have some previous year data, and based on that data, you are going to predict the next year, next 1 year, next 2 year, or next 6 months date. So go to analytics, select forecast, just drag and drop forecast here. Now here you can see here the shaded part, this is your forecasting. Your data, you have taken the data order date from 2017 to 20, and now what it has done, see this 2017 to 20 data that you already have. So it has taken up to 2019 actual, and it has estimated the future sale for the year 2020 to 2021. So 1 year data that it has forecasted, and it is the trend is it will be going up. So from 20 to 21, the sale would be 685,981. So you can now this is what the forecast is shown in this shaded part. You can use edit option and you can change the options here. Now it is by default forecast, it has taken as automatic. So it has predicted for next 5 quarters. If you just want exactly for the year, you can select that until. So if you give here until exactly one, so it has given you the forecast until you can choose it, or let's say you want to predict initially for first 2 years or next 2 years. So if you see this for next 2 years, maybe in 2000 uh, in 2020 it has gone up, but again in 2021 it may go down at 685,981. So, and in 22, 452. So this is what the prediction for the next 2 years. If you take it for 1 year, it may likely to go up. So you can choose the various options which are there, and accordingly you can predict the model. Another is forecast model. As I said, in mini project also you are going to use the model. So if you are using a forecast model, whether you are using automatic model, whether you are customizing the model, or whether you are using automatic without seasonality. So when you say without seasonality, so you are not going to see the seasonal impact. You are just going to find out the continuous trend that you are going to get. So this is what the prediction with the selected option.